What's up everybody, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about how you can grow your Facebook group to over 2,000 members in a matter of a few weeks, all right, and how you can monetize that group to make over $100 a day with affiliate marketing basically. Okay, so I'm going to show you one group that we are currently growing. I'll show you exactly how we do it and what I have in plans, how to monetize that group, because right now I'm just giving free tips. So yeah guys, as you can see here, I don't even have a cover photo. Maybe it would convert better, I will do one, but I was just experimenting in different niches, and now we decided to go for the premium sports betting niche, well, sports betting niche in general, which yeah, is kind of gray hat, but as you can see here, we have 2.1k members right now, and I show you all the statistics when we started and everything. So make sure to watch the video until the end so you learn exactly how to make $100 a day. And if you like that content, please give me a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe to that channel. All right, so let me show you the growth that we had. I can show you the graphic right here. Again, the group is about sports betting, so I give maximum one daily free sports betting tips, that people can basically yeah, use to bet on as well, right? And most of the bets that I give in this group yeah, are winning bets. All right, so don't ask me how I do it. I got my magic ball. I can look into the future, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is just what we are promoting in this group. All right, and basically the whole model is you want to grow a group and monetize that group later on. I am a fan of not monetizing too early because yeah, in this group I just give free tips until I have the feeling that I can really yeah, make some money out of their group, and that I got the trust from many members in the group. So it's always better to start to give content for free as long as you can do it, or as long as you want to do it, because I already got some offers from some people to promote their stuff and stuff like that. But yeah, just wait a little bit longer, and really try to grow that group and get some organic good traction. So actually we got an Excel sheet right here. So let's look at the growth, because I got many things that I want to cover basically, so you really get a good understanding how we do it, which is basically really simple, but I want to tell you everything. So as you can see here, we got a really simple Excel sheet. We tried some different niches, and now we focus on premium sports betting tips. So the group was created the 26th of July. Yeah, had a little bit of traction in the beginning, and then it went down. But yeah, so for example, let's check out August. In August we had a growth of 159 people. All right, so then let's check out September. In September we had a growth of 434 people. So yeah, more than triple the month before. And then look in October. In October we got a growth of 1,237 people. So we had an average of 400 people every 10 days. Now we're a little bit down for November, sorry. In November right now, it's the 9th, and we already got 263 new members, which means we will probably have 900 to 1,000 new members this month, in November, which is still pretty good, because I mean, those are potential 1,000 people that you can monetize and lure into your office. All right, so this is basically the sheet where we track everything. You can also see the growth here in your Facebook page backend. If you see that right here, you can check the engagement and stuff like that. But let me show you how we got that structured. I got a virtual assistant that is doing all that stuff, but obviously you can do it all yourself. but yeah, I don't have the time to do it. I just want to monetize it later on, and I'm a little bit active in the group. Yeah, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. I do it. I do some videos in the group and stuff like that because I'm not bothered by it, but you can have a pin name and yeah, just post some stuff without videos, obviously. But yeah, let me show you what we got here, okay? Because we got the Facebook group link, okay? This is our group link. Then we got groups to join, okay? I put the groups in here for the virtual assistant. So basically, I asked the virtual assistant to join all those groups, okay? Because this is how we get members, all right? If you wondered how we are getting those members, is we are inviting them into our group. But to invite them, you gotta first friend them, okay? Send them a friend request, all right? So what you want to do is find people that are already interested in your niche, in your topic, basically, okay? Because you want to have really targeted people, okay? So those are some of the groups that I gave my virtual assistant to join, okay? As you can see, they're all about, okay, I don't know, the content isn't available right now. They have, yeah, I don't know what happened to those groups. Anyways, some groups are still active. When you join those groups, after you have been approved, then it's your job to add those people as friends, okay? You can't go overboard because then Facebook will block you. So what we do, we have several Facebook accounts, and yeah, each Facebook account does just a few amount of friendship requests daily. And yeah, so we get a lot of new friends daily, and then we send them one message once they have become our friend, okay? Because then it doesn't go into the other message box, okay? Once you're their friend, they will directly receive your message. They will see it, okay? So I created a little new friend message template, okay, that the virtual assistant is basically sending out, okay? It's just a simple thing like, hey, I saw you in the same Facebook, in the same group as me, and also looking for good sports betting predictions. I found this other group to be very helpful and eye-opening as well. This is the link then to our group, okay, so that they will join our group, okay? So really give them, yeah, try to get them into the group, because yeah, just by inviting them to the group is oftentimes not enough. If you send them an additional message, they are more likely to join your group, okay? And then I wrote another message. Here's the main procedure that is used to get almost every bet right in the other group, which right now actually is not really necessary anymore, because I want to do my own yeah, membership site. But I still have some time. I will create my own membership site where I will have different packages, so people can join the membership site and get daily sports betting tips, basically. All right, so this is my plan for this niche. You got to figure out your own plan. The easiest way, I'll show you the easiest way to monetize your group in a second, but let's go over some cool things that you can do basically when you have the group, so you understand the power of having such a membership group, okay? No matter which niche it is in, all right? It's very important to always have some followers and to be able to monetize their group. I will show you the homepage, how we handle it. I could be way more active, but yeah, just to show you how we do it. And so one thing I got activated, for example, is the automatic member approvals, okay? Because yeah, it just takes off a lot of work. You don't want to be approving every single member, okay? When you're growing fast, then it's just not worth your time, all right? So just activate automatic member approvals. And also what you want to do is ask membership questions, okay? Because in this way, obviously, you will get a lot of crappy messages as well. You will get some crappy accounts joining your groups as well, just spamming your groups, okay? So make sure, I think it's very important that you really do a good job moderating your group and really blocking and deleting people right away when they're just spamming your group to promote something else, because you want to keep the group clean and give the impression to other members that you're really caring for this group. Okay, you want to really nurture this group and yeah, grow a good community. Okay, so very important that you moderate the group right. All right, so right here, as you can see, I asked 3 questions. I asked for the email address. Okay, sometimes you don't get it, but here I got the email address, for example. Then I asked them a very interesting question. I asked, how much are you willing to pay in dollars per month for daily tips? Okay, and I say that we have about 70 to 80% accuracy of bets over the month, which is, yeah, more or less accurate. All right. And yeah, okay, this is just some crappy messages, but look right here. Okay, this guy told me he would be willing to pay $50 per month. Okay, and I got other messages. For example, let me check here, $70. Okay, got the email as well. Here another one, $50, got the email as well. Okay, you have many people that are very serious about this. All right, if you give them good tips and you already know how much they are willing to pay, all right, if you ask them something like this. And then, for example, what you can do without even promoting it in the group, you can already private message them based on their answers and say, yeah, buddy, I heard, yeah, you want to have some yeah, really accurate sports betting tips in this group. I just share a daily tip once a day maximum, but if you would like to, you could join this membership site where you get 5 daily super accurate premium sports betting tips. And yeah, that's how you get your clients. All right, it really depends on what you want to do, but let me get into the monetizing in a second. Once I just wanted to show you what I do in this group. For example, here I have an announcement, a welcome post where I just explain what I basically, how I see this group going, how I see this group functioning. Okay, and yeah, I tell everyone that yeah, if you promote crap or anything in this group, that you will be blocked, that I want to make the really most accurate sports betting group on Facebook and stuff like that. Okay, and so people see my face, they start to trust me, and yeah, they start to comment and stuff like that. As you can see here, they got a sports betting tip, and yeah, I try to do that once daily. As you can see here, it's a tip, sports betting tip we won. Okay, and we got many more. Then I thanked them for 2,000 new members, which was, yeah, 6 days ago, and just stuff like that. And once in a while, yeah, post a video, just maybe talk about some honest stuff. I don't know, really depends on your niche. So guys, let's get into the monetizing. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, so you saw the whole structure for the group. Where is a good place to get offers, and also to get an idea of which niche you want to get in. ClickBank. Okay, ClickBank is a classic. Just, yeah, get an account with ClickBank and go to the marketplace, the affiliate marketplace, and this is where you can find a bunch of offers. Okay, and how you wanna yeah, basically you have to decide for a niche. Like I said, we tried many different niches, and now, yeah, we saw fast growth in the sports betting niche. So yeah, and I know some guys that are doing some good money in sports betting, so I decided to go for sports betting. All right, but you can go in any of the big niches here. Okay, I would recommend that you stay with a big niche. Okay, where you see, when, for example, when you search for the groups, for other groups that you want to join afterwards, so you can get members out of those groups, that you look specifically that your niche that you want to get into has some really big groups. Okay, with upwards of 20 to 50,000 members. Okay, because you want to be sure that that niche has yeah, just a lot of reach, okay, on Facebook, and that people are interested in it. Okay, so, and you see that when you have other big groups. Okay, and then once you have decided to go for any niche, let's go for health and fitness, for example, then you can just choose one of those offers here. Okay, and I would sort the results by gravity. Okay, gravity basically shows you how many affiliates are promoting that product. Okay, so if a product is really in demand, it probably is converting very well, which is very important as well. And yeah, basically you can just choose to promote that offer. And then let's go on this offer, for example. Let's check out how it looks. Okay, they got a, yeah, just that landing page with a video sales letter. Okay, and how you get your link basically to promote their product is you click here on promote. Obviously you have to be logged in into ClickBank. Then you put in your account name, generate hop links, then you get your link. Okay, so let's say, okay, account nickname, let's take this, and then it generates your link. And then you can copy it here. What you want to do now is go to a link shortener service, for example bit.ly. Shorten that link. You don't want people to see ClickBank in that link. All right, and then you put that link in here, you create that link. Yeah, you post the long URL in here, and then you get the little shortened link in here, and you can simply copy that. And what you want to do now is basically, yeah, you do a welcome post. In that welcome post, talk about the group rules and all that stuff, and also talk about the offer. Okay, and put this link above this video. If you don't want to do a video, you can just write a welcome post and with the rules and everything, and tell them, give them a call to action to click on that link, and tell them that this page where they will be redirected to is how you made, or how you were able to make your body transformation, lose 50 pounds or whatever you are promoting. All right, put that in the welcome post. Okay, and pin that post on the top, so every member, when they join your group, they will see that post and they will be intrigued to click on that link and maybe even, yeah, buy the product that you are promoting. And then you get affiliate sales on ClickBank. And this is basically how it works. Okay, and if you're able to grow a group, yeah, and get 1,000 members each and every month, believe me, you will make $100 a day. Okay, I'm just having another model right here because I want to build my membership group, and I'm holding off by not promoting anything paid right now, because I think that this way I can grow fast in the beginning. All right, so that's why I'm not promoting anything right now. But you can still have your welcome post and have that link, and don't be too pushy in the beginning, okay, to promote that. But once your group has a good size, yeah, just promote the heck out of it. Okay, and if you think it's a good offer, just do it. I mean, you're not doing anything wrong. All right, so that's basically how you do it. And obviously you can, like I showed you, ask some questions, some membership questions, and see what they answer. And if they give you some really good qualifying answers, then contact them directly and send them the link again and try to sell them via Messenger, right? And that's how you make $100 a day. I guarantee you, if you go hard and if you have a group that is growing with the numbers that we are growing currently in this group, you will make $100 a day. Okay, it's that easy. So I hope you like this video. Again, if you like the content, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Okay, click on the bell so you get a notification when I upload a new video. I hope you liked it. I see you in the next video, and I try to make more videos in the next time. Okay, it was a very busy time. I hope you are all well. I hope you are all safe and healthy. All right, and I see you in the next one. See you. Bye bye.